Airside Safety Introduction. Ground damage is associated with safety risks that cannot be underestimated. About 243,000 people are injured each year in ground occurrence accidents and incidents. Several years ago, Flight Safety Foundation estimated that ramp accidents cost major airlines worldwide at least $10 billion a year. These accidents affect airport operations, result in personnel injuries and damaged aircraft, facilities, and ground support equipment. The foundation also estimated that 27,000 ramp accidents and incidents, 1 per 1,000 departures, occur worldwide annually. In addition, accidents involving ramp events are increasing as a percentage of all accidents. But why are so many risks associated with ground operations, and why are ramp events increasing as a proportion of all accidents? The main reason for this development are time pressure on ground personnel, increased production and therefore congestion of airports, technology and changes in management, training and education of ground personnel, and human factors. Most of the world's big hubs have more flights today than ever. The congestion of airports is also associated with a frequent alternation of gates between narrow-bodied and wide-bodied aircraft. This is one of the leading causes of confusion to ground personnel, which can be the basis of ground damage, especially during peak times. Very often, there are a number of human factors reasons behind a damage incident. And if the relevant investigation is not carried out in detail, the conclusion often is that the person did not follow the procedure. And instead of going deeper into the case to find the root causes, the case is closed. Even on the ground, human factors need to be taken seriously into consideration as a leading cause of equipment damage.